Welcome back to WhatKarenLoves. So today I'm going to do like a Valentine's makeup tutorial. I know it's been a lot of beauty related stuff, but I promise that Valentine's week I have an ideal for not fashion, but I do have an ideal for a video. I'm hoping that it goes good, so stay tuned for that. I'm thinking decor related, but I don't know yet. So stay tuned. I do really want to do like something like that though, so stay tuned. Okay, anyways, let's get on to it because I already did my face and all that type of stuff. I just need to do my eyes and all that type of stuff. Let's get on to it. Alright, first and foremost, we're going to go in with, I don't know what color I want to go in. Let's do something we haven't tried yet. Alright, let's do Dance Off because that looks pretty. Okay. My skin is so dry lately, especially my nose. If you hear see any dryness, that is so why. So well, let's do some foundation today because you know what? Whew. Okay. Alright. Looks kind of like a broomy, so it reminds me of kind of like a broom. I think I hit the wrong color by accident. I'm just gonna go in, do a little. I can tell. Okay. Oh, I almost did it. Still looks good though. Okay. trying to do this as fast as I can because you guys know how this thing can be. So okay, we're gonna do. Ooh, what do I want to do on top? I don't know. We're gonna do Be You, because that's always beautiful. Okay. Totally rubbing it on my pants, but it's okay. It looks good though so far. I want to choose this shirt just because it's Valentine's Day related, so. Okay, that looks good. Okay. Sorry guys, I have to keep looking. It's not. I'll forget. Okay. Alright. First, we're gonna go in. So I'm gonna do any blush. I'm gonna change it up because I've been doing that other one. This freaking skin is so bad right now and it's driving me nuts. Okay. My highlight. Check camera. Okay. 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 There it is. Alright. We're gonna do unicorn. I had to get some more of this. It's starting to hit the brims. Okay. Check in the camera. It looks pretty good. Alright. Okay. I'm gonna have some type of sparkle. And not just touch all of those. Okay. Ooh. Actually, I never really played with this one, and it's so pretty. Look how pretty that is. I don't know if you guys can tell, but I'm gonna do that. Still recording. Okay. Alright, now we're gonna go in and I kind of like the way it looks right now, to be honest. I'm actually gonna keep it that way. I like it. Okay. But I think I'm gonna add some more of you though. Alright. Just recording. Yeah. Okay. I think it looks really good, to be honest. And that pop of highlight. I actually really like how it turned out, to be honest. It looks really good. Okay. Hope you guys can see what I'm talking about. Thumbs up. And I pop it red, and then I just love it. Room. I like this room. Okay. Anyways, that's what I guess today for this Valentine's Day vibe makeup tutorial, first video for February. There will be different content coming very soon. I'm actually really enjoying doing the beauty ones, but I had a plan to do a decor type thing for Valentine's Day type thing, so for Friday of that week. So I'll see you guys that week for that. But anyway, so see you guys soon, and go check out also down below, below as always. Check out the latest vlog as well, or the newest vlog I should say. And of course don't forget to subscribe as always, and I'll see you guys in the next one. That's all. XOXO. Bye.